Let's get it, man. Birmingham, Alabama, 205, stand up. Finna go ahead and wreck this shit on Steve Gray. Well, it's the black top, Mr. Striker, nigga quick. Got them tools on deck like it's part on my fit. My fair squad up in this bitch, knocking heads up off your shoulders. In the words of Lil Flip, my nigga. Game over, 50 niggas on the block, just chilling, just drinking, brew. Like a bullet from high school. Got bullets that pick at you, so he big like Bruce. Brew chopper knocked his screws loose. Got hoes like Fruit Loops, left him stinking like doo-doo.
DJ, oh yeah.
I'm a savage just like Webbit and a bad edge just like Boosie. I sold drugs, I been stabbed, I been in jail, but this ain't a movie. Hey, yeah, I keep it toolie, you talking down, you meet the Uzi. I'll do you bad, I beat your ass, they knock the C's up off your coochie. Black tie up in this bitch, I'm reppin' the east side, the realest nigga that hit the club, still throwing up my gang signs. I move crowds like I move weight, they feeling me like earthquakes, freestyling on the mic, I got it locked down like inmates. The rap game, I'm running this, it's easy like a free throw. I hit the blunt, I wreck the booth, I shut it down like Banana Joe's. I'm on time just like a watch. Don't play me like I'm fool, cause if you do, my nigga, I know some niggas that'll get rid of you. I'm tired of all this bullshit, all the rappers spit to me. It's a blessing if you get in the booth and spit with me.
DJ,
been doing
oh
this since
yeah.
the age of 3. I need to go home, put the mic down and get some sleep. Squat. Black tie, man. 205. Birmingham, Alabama. We in this bitch. I wreck this shit. Yeah.
DJ.
Hey man, I like to thank everybody that like my 2 Real freestyle.
DJ. Oh
Both
yeah,
out, man. I'm recording
yeah.
on this shit, dog. We gonna have. Y'all follow me, man. Shout out to the squad.